Okay, so this is the last temple that we're going to, Bayon Temple, and there's a monkey here, so I'm gonna go. Let's go check out the monkey, see what he's up to. See him down there? He's on the ground. What's up, buddy? Oh, there's a couple of these monkeys eating corn on the cob. Holy cow! There's a whole bunch. Yeah.
Rồi coi. Rồi. Good.
Something's going on. These monkeys are a little upset. But thank God there's dogs around. So there's a lot of chaos in this market outside of Bayon Temple. I don't know if you can see, but way up there at the top, there's all these monkeys climbing the scaffolding. And now the dogs are interested. And there's a lot of chaos, but it's great fun. Fruit stand out front for hungry people like me. But they got the basics. Looks like they got the longan on the right, watermelon, mango, rambutan, so they got everything. Yeah, I'm definitely interested in mango for sure. Yeah. Yeah, I'll get mango for $1, sure. Banana too? Yeah? Okay. I'll do a mango. Sure. Yeah. Everything's $1. Okay, great. This is where we're at. This one's interesting. The head has been sculpted on. You can see the different sculpture here. So where the head has been replaced. So who knows what was originally there and what was not, but the head has definitely been altered. Okay, so here you can see the sculpture with the head on, sitting in the same pose. But if you go ahead and look here at the back, that the head has been sculpted on differently. So it's a different material. I'm not a conspiracy theorist or anything, but I am just stating the facts that if you look here, it's a different type of material, and the head is a different type of material than what was originally there with the so let me just, I'm not going to remove it because I don't want to get in trouble here, but if you look, so it's a different type of material than it is the rest of the body that was originally this sculpture that turns into a tail that they're sitting on the tail. So, you know, you can clearly see the difference between the head versus the body that turns into this sculpture. So, like I said, who knows? I'm just pointing out the facts, but it's definitely interesting. I really don't care what the truth is. I don't care whether it's a human head or a lizard head or an alien head. I don't care what the truth is. Just be honest. Just be honest. We're adults. it just doesn't matter to me. What I do care about is honesty. Just we're able to handle the truth at this point, and we've always been able to handle the truth, but to go ahead and go out of the way to alter reality and sculptures that people have made by taking all the heads off, and then even further going ahead and putting and sculpting a human head on whatever head was originally there. It just, I don't know, it just doesn't seem right. Anyways, it's part of life. So this one may look the same, but it has all of these statues along the right side. So all of these different statues, I'm going to do a close-up of one. This one looks pretty intact. And there's probably about 100 leading on up to the entrance. Looks like each one's different. So here's the back. So someone just said that the good guys are on the left and the bad guys are on the right. So let's check that out. So now we're on the left side. So now we're on the left side. So as you can see behind me, and the faces do look friendlier. All right, we're all done. Thanks for coming on by the Angkor Wat and other temples on Where's Darren.